Yo, what's good guys? Today we're looking forward to create color halftone effect in Photoshop. This will allow you to create some of the most unique design like this and this. The fun part is actually it's way easier than you might think. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for today we are going to use this image. I'll put its link down in the description. So if you wanna work on this image, you can do it for absolutely free. So before applying the color halftone effect, we need to ready our image accordingly. First up, I'm going to unlock the layer, then convert it to the smart object. So the first effect we are going to apply is hue and saturation. We are going to reduce its saturation completely. And for the second effect, we are going to create a curve adjustment layer to give it a little contrast on both black and white sides. And for the last, I'll reduce its background contrast from the levels. So the image is pretty much ready to use, but let's first group and merge everything into a single layer so that effect could be applied. So this is the one of the most important thing that you need to know before applying the color halftone effect. Whenever you are going to apply the effect, make sure your foreground color is set to black and not to any other color, because if it's set to some other color like blue or red, and you might get confused why your image getting turned red or some random colors, because you might don't know that your foreground color is selected to it. Anyways, back on the video, let's first change the foreground color to black, then click the image layer and go to the filter gallery. Here in the filter gallery, we are going to apply 3 effects. For the first one, we are going to apply the reticulation effect. These settings may vary from image to image, so you can create your own settings or you can copy my settings that I am using right now. And finally, we are going to apply the color halftone effect. You can also find this effect in the sketch panel in the filter gallery. Here I'm going to adjust the settings accordingly. You can change the settings for whatever you like. You can increase the size of the dots, also you can change the contrast of it. After that, for the final and last effect, we are going to apply some film grain to give it some faded look. And here our image is ready and color halftone effect is applied. And for the final step, we are going to add some gradient map to give it the final touches. So let's just quickly create a gradient map layer. Here I'm going to load up my custom gradient map pack. As you can see, each of them looks so unique and you can play around with it to get some more cool results. So that's all for today guys. Hope sure you liked the video. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, cause I'm going to give away this gradient map pack in the next video for absolutely free. So make sure you have subscribed. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.